Welcome learners to this lesson again. It is mathematics solving quadratic equation by completing square method. First, kindly subscribe, like and share. For more videos, kindly subscribe, like and share. Press the subscription button, then like and share for more video, for more help in mathematics. Welcome to this lesson. In the previous lessons, we look at factorization method. And for example, we had 2x squared plus 5x is equal to 3. This one is equal to 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. We look at product and sum. Sum is equal to 5 and product is equal to 2 times negative 3, which is equal to negative 6. So we are just revising the factorization method which we did the previous lesson. So we are continuing product and sum. You look at two factors which if you add will give you 5, and if you multiply will give you negative 6. This one was 6 and negative 1. For that reason, you come back and now factorize our equation. It is 2x squared plus 5x 2x squared plus now 6x minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Take the 2, and that one will be 2x into x plus 3. Another one will be negative 1 into x plus 3. That one is equal to 0. So because this one and this one is common, now you only take 1 because it will give you the same answer. So it is 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, and finally x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now x1 is equal to a half and x2 is equal to negative 3. That one is by using factorization method. But for today, you want to use completing square method. So kindly pay attention for students in Form 3 and again students doing engineering classes, maybe electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, automotive engineering, need this concept to solve their mathematical problems. So for completing square method, kindly listen carefully because it's more complicated one. For example, let's continue with our first example. 2x squared plus 5x is equal to 3. This one is equal to 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Remember, we are using completing square method. So first step 1, look for the coefficient of x raised to power 2, meaning our quadratic equation is always in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we shall consider a is the coefficient of x raised to power 2, and b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. So in our case, while using completing square method, step 1, make a be 1. Make a is equal to 1. For our case, a is equal to 2. So how will you make a is equal to 1? By dividing all the sides by 2. So for the first, 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. This one divide here by 2, divide this one by 2, divide this one by 2. That one will give you x squared plus 2.5x minus 1 minus 1.5 is equal to 0. Minus 1 is equal to 0. That is the first step. Second step, step 2, go to b. b is the coefficient of x. So this b divide by 2 and then square. So our b here is 2.5. 2.5 divided by 2 and then square. After squaring, add it to both sides after the equal signs and before equal sign. So in this case we shall have x squared plus 2.5 x is equal to 1.5. So that one will be x squared plus 2.5 x plus 2.5 over 2 square is equal to 1.5 plus 2.5 over 2 in bracket square. So let's continue. After adding that one, you will have x squared we'll have x plus 2.5 x squared. Now it is x squared plus 2.5 over 2 square is equal to 3. Is equal to 3.0625. This one, you have add 1.5 plus 2.5 divided by 2 square, which will give you 3.0625. So after adding this one, you shall get the square root. Now get the square root. The square root of x squared plus 2.5 over 2 square is equal to square root of 3.0625. Getting the square root, this one square and square will go the square root, so you are remaining with x plus 2.5 over 2 is equal to the square root of 3.1, which will 1.75. So in this case, getting x is equal to this one is either plus or minus. Now x is equal to 1.75 minus 2.5 over 2, and that one is equal to a half. If you do this one, you will get a half. Second one, x2 is equal to 1 point negative This one is either plus or minus. So for the first time, we use the plus. Second one, now we are using minus. Minus 1.75 minus 2.5 over 2. And that one will give you negative 3. So you can really prove that our x1 was a half and x2 was negative 3. Let's take another example. Let's take another example. Example 2. This one is x squared plus 2 x squared plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So this one will be, because our a now is 1, we won't consider many things. We just go to be direct. So it will be x squared plus 2x plus 2 divided by 2 squared is equal to 8 plus 2 divided by 2 squared. This one will give you x squared plus 2 divided by 2 square is equal to 9. So getting the square root of both sides, x squared plus 1 square is equal to 9. So the square will go the square root, and the square root of 9 is equal to 3. So it is x plus 1 is equal to plus or minus 3. After getting that one, now get x1 is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 minus 1. When 1 crosses equal sign, it will be negative in both cases. So for the first one, 3 minus 1 will give us 2. So x1 is equal to 2, and x2, now when 3 is negative 3 minus 1, and that one will give us negative 4. So that's how you can use a completing square method to solve quadratic equation. Welcome to another lesson in the next video to deal with formula method.